Today, we're going to show you how to get started with the Specdrums Mix app, a brand new app from Sphero that lets you mix artist-curated loops, beats, and samples using Specdrums rings and the world around you. First, you'll connect your Specdrums ring over Bluetooth within the app. Touch Connect, then find your ring listed under available rings. If you don't see your ring, plug in the USB and make sure it's charged. You can connect as many rings as your device can handle. For example, the iPhone X can take up to 6 rings at once. Now you're ready to drop some beats. By default, the colors are calibrated to the playpad that comes in the box. Tap each color with your ring on the playpad and see the corresponding colors light up in the app. To play your world, you can tap any colored object, and the closest color will be recognized in the app. In our advanced tutorial, we describe how to calibrate custom colors. There are 2 different types of sounds that each sound pack can play: samples and loops. A sample is one-shot sound. Some samples can be sustained while the ring is held down on a color, like a piano key, while others are played straight through, like a snare drum hit. A loop is a beat or melody that can be toggled on and off by tapping a color and will repeat continuously. These are typically represented by the top 4 pads of the playpad. Loops are always in sync with one another. You can explore all kinds of different genres and moods of music through the different packs available in our app, with more packs being added every month. Now you know the basics, so have fun and jam out.